bedtime story, how I came to Japan, what am I doing in Japan, a lot of things I want to share. चल Japanese पढ़ते हैं and let's go to Japan. I really enjoyed learning Japanese. वही कितना साल हो गया, something like that. अगर आप जापान में jobs के लिए या पढ़ाई के लिए आना चाहता है था 2023. I forgot. Hello Jinada, welcome back to my channel. And आज का वीडियो में I wanted to make this video more like a bedtime story where I share my story, how I came to Japan, what I'm doing here, and wait, कितना साल हो गया, something like that. And it's also because there were few people जो हमको पूछ रहा था कि how I came to Japan और हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. तो I just wanted to make this video for them too. And अगर आप curious है तो you can see the video. And this is also my first time where I am sitting like this in front of the camera and I'll be talking. So please अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगा ये video, please let me know in the comment section क्योंकि I would love to make more videos like this and talk about things in Japan, like the cultural difference, or there are a lot of things I want to share. So please let me know so that I can make more videos about Japan. Wait, so bedtime story. Once again, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nyama. I am from Arunachal and currently living in Japan. Yes, yoo-hoo. तो हमको actually जापान में जनरली हमको बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, बिल्कुल बोलने से बिल्कुल, क्योंकि ना हम जापानीज ड्रामास देखते था, ना मूवीज देखता था, ना आई वाज इनटू anime. Yeah, anime. You might find it weird, but yeah, I was not even into anime. अभी भी I am not much into Japanese dramas, movies and anime. कभी कभी देख लेता है, but it's not like. But randomly, बहुत randomly, it was like, चल Japanese पढ़ते हैं and let's go to Japan. So I started learning Japanese that way. I started learning katakana and hiragana, which is the Japanese alphabets, from YouTube, and it really helped me when I joined the class क्योंकि हमको जापानीज का कुछ नहीं पता था लैंग्वेज का भी, apart from arigato gozaimasu, which I used to hear from my friends, and that's sayonara from the old Bollywood song Sayonara. Apart from that हमको जापानीज लैंग्वेज के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था, but I really enjoyed learning Japanese. I learned Japanese for 6 months. And after 6 months, बहुत serious after 6 months, I gave JLPT exam N4. For those who doesn't know what is JLPT is Japanese Language Proficiency Test. जो it's like IELTS for English. तो वैसे ही JLPT, Japanese का JLPT. So I gave N4 after 6 months of learning Japanese. So Japanese JLPT में 5 levels होता है. N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, and N5 जो सबसे नीचे and N1 सबसे ऊपर होता है. I cleared N4 and I also gave JFT exam, which is Japanese Foundation Test. It is also like language का proficiency test करता है, but it's much easier than JLPT. अगर आप जापान में jobs के लिए या पढ़ाई के लिए आना चाहता है, आई थिंक JFT वो लोग ज़्यादा कंसिडर नहीं करता है कंपेयर टू JLPT. सो इट्स बेटर टू टेक JLPT एग्ज़ाम. देन उसके बाद आई गेव काइगो एग्ज़ाम, विच इज़ a caregiving exam. I gave in Japanese and English. उसके बाद I waited for the interview. We gave interview, and then after 1 month we got the result that select हो गया. And to be very honest, once again, I was not even excited, Clear हो गया, okay, it's not a big deal. Like, मेरे लिए वो excitement था ही नहीं जापान जाने का. But yeah, I ended up here. अब interview खत्म होने के बाद there are a lot of documentation जो होता है, so the companies will do it for you. उसके बाद you will need a COE paper, which is certification of eligibility. अगर वो नहीं होगा, then you cannot get in Japan job के लिए. So the company जो आपको hire किया, they will provide this paper. So it took me around 5 months, We waited for 3 or 4 months for COE paper and documentation khatam hote it took me another 5 months. And then uske baad we landed in Japan. Kab tha? 2023. So I've been in Japan for almost 2.5 years, almost 3 years. So uske baad we reached here and uske baad life goes on. I forgot what I'm supposed to say. I'm so sorry. Now let's get to the point. What am I doing in Japan? I am currently working as a nursing assistant in a hospital in Tokyo. And kya bolega? Yeah, nursing assistant. We work along with the nurses to take care of the patients. If you're thinking it's a normal hospital, एक normal hospital नहीं है. ये एक साइकियाट्रिक हॉस्पिटल है जहाँ पे हम जो एज ए नर्सिंग असिस्टेंट हम काम कर रहे हैं. आई वर्क फॉर डिमेंशिया पेशेंट्स एंड आई एम नॉट ए नर्स. अगर आप लोग हमको कंफ्यूज हो रहा है दैट आई एम ए नर्स, आई एम नॉट ए नर्स. मेरे साथ नर्सिंग डिग्री नहीं है, बट आई एम असिस्टिंग द नर्सेज इन द डिपार्टमेंट. मेडिसिन का काम है एंड जो इंजेक्शन ये सब का काम है, उसका अलावा आई डू अदर वर्क्स इन द डिपार्टमेंट रिक्वायर्ड. ऑल्सो I want to make more videos regarding this nursing jobs in Japan, and if you want me to make more video on it, please let me know in the comment section. तो वही story time यहाँ पे ख़त्म करते हैं. And if you like this video और आपको अच्छा लगा ये कहानी सुनने का, please let me know. I'll try to make more videos on different topics and I'll try my best. ओके सो इसी बात पे आई हैव टू वेक अप अर्ली टुमारो. कल सुबह उठना है हमको, तो आई एम गोइंग टू बेड. अभी ऑलमोस्ट 1 PM होने जा रहा है, नॉट 1 PM, 1 AM. तो बाय बाय.